Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Mortal Kombat XL game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mortal Kombat game on your device. And once you are inside the homepage, in order to change your control settings, navigate to the Options tab. Now within Options, you will see the controls at the very beginning. Go ahead and press Enter, and now you can customize the buttons or the keys for both of your controls. If you have a joystick, then you can change the assigned button on your joystick as well. To make any change, just navigate to the button that you would like to change and press Enter. Now you can press the new button that you would like to assign. You may also add multiple buttons for the same task. There is also the option to set up multiple types of controls. You can have up to 4 different control schemes per player. So after making your desired change, just go into the Save Preset option and then press Enter to save your changes. And now you can go into your game and start playing with your chosen control settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Mortal Kombat XL game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.